What's up, fam? This is your boy El Jefe, and I'm here to give you guys your very first look at the HYPHEN True Wireless Earbuds. Now, if that sounds familiar, it's because these guys have been making their rounds, on Facebook and on Twitter and social media. They're an Indiegogo campaign that was, it's been looking for backers, and they've actually done pretty well as far as that goes. If you guys are interested in checking out the campaign, I'll leave a link to that in the description box down below. Make sure you guys check that out if you're interested. The price tag on these coming in right now at $69.99 for the early backers. I believe the price is going to be going up at some point. Not sure to what it's going to go up to, but it's $69.99 right now. Now, before we go any further, and for full disclosure, HYPHEN did reach out to me, sent these over for my honest opinion and review. Now, obviously, this isn't the full review video, like I said before. This is just a first look. But if this is your first time on my channel and you're not familiar with the way that I do things, whether I go out and buy the products myself or if a company sends them out to me for review, I'm always going to keep it 100% real with you guys and let you know whether or not it's worth your hard-earned money. So with that said, let's talk about these. So first, let me give you guys some quick specs on them. Normally I don't do spec reads, but I figure this might be your first time checking these out. So let me let you know kind of the skinny on them. So they do have Bluetooth 5.0, same as any good earbud that's coming out in 2019. They also have IPX5 water resistance, which is always a nice thing. They do have integrated wireless charging in the case. That's a big plus. I do like that. And they also have touch control, which is nice. Single tap for play pause. You have the double tap to skip tracks, and touch and hold for 2 seconds. You get volume control. That's a big plus. I really like having volume control built into the earbuds. So kudos to them for that. Now, I haven't gone through the full round of testing that I do. If you guys have watched any of my review videos, I do try to be very thorough. They are pretty long, but I do try to be as thorough as possible. So this video, we're just going to touch on a couple of subjects and just kind of give you a basic idea of what I think of them after, my first day of using them. So these earbuds did arrive this morning, and I've been kind of, using them here and there throughout the day. So as far as the initial battery life right out of the box, so far I managed to use them for right about 3 hours. Assorted use, listening to music, also checking out some podcasts, some audiobooks, and watching some videos on YouTube. So right around 3 hours and 10 minutes so far. Not bad. They're actually not even dead yet. So we will see in the full battery test how long they actually last. But so far, battery life has been good. And then next, the connectivity. So, pairing them up was real easy. Pulled them right out of the box. They turned themselves on. They put themselves in pairing mode. Paired them up to my Galaxy S10 Plus. No problem whatsoever. I haven't experienced any weird clipping or dropouts or anything like that. So far, so good. And then watching videos on the YouTube app, I haven't experienced any lag or latency thus far. Now, I haven't gone through and tested these, on iOS with my iPhone or on the OnePlus or any of my other devices yet. But just so far on my Galaxy S10 Plus with the YouTube app only, I haven't experienced any latency. So that's a major plus, but there'll be more on that in the full review. Aside from that, using them, they're actually fairly comfortable. They're very similar in size and shape to the Soundcore Liberty Airs. So they have that sort of AirPod styling to them. It's going to be the earbud with the little stem that sticks out of your ear. So, it's not my personal favorite as far as styling goes, but they are getting the job done. As far as comfort goes, very light. The tips fit right into my ears perfectly straight out of the box. I didn't even have to adjust the other ear tips. I did try the other ones just to make sure, but the big ones were too big. The smaller ones didn't seal correctly, so the medium-sized ones work perfectly for my ears. And then that leads me to the sound quality. Now, like I said before, I have not gone through my full battery of tests. I've not gone through the full playlist. But just in the assorted different things that I listened to today, I can tell you right now that the sound quality is excellent. It's not balanced. So if you're expecting a very flat and clinical sound, these are not the earbuds for you. These have a very punchy bass with some nice enhanced highs. So, if you're going to listen to rock, if you're going to listen to hip hop, rap, things like that, it actually sounds really, really good. For podcasts, for audiobooks and things like that, the mid-range is a bit neutral or recessed, I would say. So it can sort of sound a little bit weird as far as that goes, but there is plenty of volume, so you can turn things up if, the dialogue gets too quiet. But, as far as music goes, as far as the types of music that I listened to today and in the videos that I watched, everything sounded really, really good. Now, like I said before and many times already in this video, this isn't the full review. I'm going to be going through the full sound test, but overall, as far as the sound quality goes, I'm actually pretty impressed. Now, this is the part of the video where I'm going to ask for your help. If you're interested in the HYPHEN earbuds and you have some questions in particular that you would like to see in my upcoming full review, please leave those down in the comment section. I'm going to choose the best questions that are in the comment section, and I'll be including those in the full review to make sure you guys get a full review. Also, if you guys are feeling cool and generous and you guys want to support the video and support what I'm doing and support the upcoming review, make sure you guys share this video on your social medias and tag HYPHEN. And like I said before, if you guys are interested in the Indiegogo campaign for these, I'll leave a link to that in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. Now, if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys didn't like this video, go ahead and hit the dislike button. There's always a few of you out there, and I don't want you feeling left out. And if you haven't done so already, consider joining the fam. Hit that subscribe button along with that small notification bell. This way you never miss any of my weekly videos. And if you're a hardcore supporter, a hardcore member of the fam, and you want to find another way to support your boy El Jefe, to support the channel financially, I do have a Patreon page that you guys can join. I'll leave a link to that in the description box right down below. There's no obligation, nobody's being forced to do anything, but if you want to help support me in another way, that's the other way. Now, with all of that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I brought you guys some good value today. I hope you all have a great week, and I will see you in the next video.